How to become a technical project manager in 2025. The demand for technical project managers continues to grow as organizations increasingly rely on skilled professionals who can bridge the gap between complex technology and effective project delivery. As a hybrid role requiring both technical acumen and project management expertise, becoming a TPM in 2025 involves a combination of education, skill development, hands-on experience, and strategic career planning. Here's an in-depth guide to help you navigate the path toward becoming a successful technical project manager. A technical project manager oversees projects with high technical complexity, coordinating resources, timelines, and team efforts. Unlike general project managers, TPMs are expected to have a deep understanding of technologies like software development, cloud infrastructure, or cybersecurity, making them invaluable for projects requiring technical insights to ensure quality and timely delivery. They often manage cross-functional teams, streamline technical requirements, and align project goals with business objectives. Key responsibilities for TPMs include 1. Planning, organizing, and managing technical projects from conception to delivery. 2. Collaborating with developers, engineers, and stakeholders. 3. Managing project budgets, timelines, and resources. 4. Leveraging tools like Jira, Asana, or Trello for task tracking and progress reporting. 5. Implementing quality and risk management practices to avoid project bottlenecks. The standard requirement for technical project managers is a bachelor's degree in a relevant field such as computer science, information technology, engineering, or business administration with a focus on technology. Some employers prefer candidates with advanced degrees like a Master of Business Administration, MBA, with a technology management concentration or a master's in a technical discipline. Specialized degrees offer TPMs a firm foundation in both business principles and technical concepts, which are crucial for managing high-stakes projects effectively. Certifications significantly boost credibility and marketability. Notable ones include 1. Project Management Professional, PMP, by PMI, recognized globally. The PMP certification provides comprehensive project management training covering scope, time, cost, quality, and communication management. 2. Certified Scrum Master, CSM, for those interested in Agile project management. This certification is vital for managing projects that require iterative development cycles. 3. Certified Information Technology Project Manager, CITM, focused on IT projects. This certification is designed for those aiming to specialize in technical project management within the IT industry. 4. AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Google Cloud Certification. If working with cloud projects, these certifications can be beneficial for understanding cloud architectures. Online courses through platforms like Interview Kickstart, Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning also provide valuable training, allowing you to acquire these certifications at your own pace. To be a successful TPM, a strong grasp of technical concepts is crucial. Familiarity with software development life cycles, SDLC, coding fundamentals, and system architectures is beneficial. For those aiming to specialize, skills in cloud technologies, machine learning, and DevOps methodologies are highly relevant. Understanding tools and programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, or SQL can enhance communication with development teams. Core project management skills. TPMs should also develop key project management skills. 1. Leadership. Effective team management is essential, particularly for motivating and guiding technical teams. 2. Communication. Clear communication with both technical and non-technical stakeholders is crucial, as is the ability to translate technical requirements into understandable terms for all team members. 3. Time and task management, using tools like Microsoft Project, Jira, or Rike for efficient scheduling and task tracking is essential to ensure projects stay on schedule and within scope. 4. Quality management. Understanding quality assurance principles helps maintain project standards and client satisfaction by delivering high-quality outcomes. Entry-level roles like software developer, IT support specialist, or systems analyst provide a technical foundation. Moving to roles such as project coordinator or junior project manager is a logical next step, allowing you to learn project management principles while building experience. Networking within the project management and tech community is essential for career growth. Joining industry organizations like PMI or attending conferences and workshops can expose you to the latest tools, practices, and trends in technical project management. Platforms like LinkedIn, professional meetups, and online forums also provide networking opportunities to connect with peers and mentors in the field. Familiarity with project management methodologies, especially Agile, Scrum, and Waterfall, is a must for technical project managers. Many organizations now favor Agile for its flexibility and efficiency, making knowledge of Scrum practices and Kanban boards beneficial. However, for projects requiring linear, stage-based development, Waterfall may be more appropriate. Some organizations also adopt a hybrid approach, blending Agile and Waterfall principles to optimize delivery times and adapt to changing requirements. While technical knowledge is essential, soft skills such as adaptability, problem solving, and conflict resolution distinguish top TPMs. Key soft skills include 1. Problem solving, proactively identifying project challenges and proposing solutions. 2. Adaptability, adjusting to changing project requirements or unexpected obstacles. 3. Conflict resolution, mediating team conflicts to ensure productivity and cohesion. 4. Stakeholder management, balancing the expectations of clients, developers, and upper management to keep everyone aligned with project goals. As you gain experience, you may choose to specialize in areas such as 1. Technical program management, overseeing a portfolio of related projects or products with high technical demands. 2. Product management, shaping product vision and strategy by aligning project delivery with business objectives. 3. IT project management, leading technology-driven projects, often involving infrastructure upgrades or cloud migrations. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, projects consistent demand for project management professionals, with TPM salaries varying by industry and region. Average salaries can range from $98,000 to $160,000, depending on experience, certifications, and location. Areas with high demand for technical project managers, such as California, Texas, and New York, offer higher compensation. When preparing for TPM roles, a well-crafted resume and strong interviewing skills are crucial. Tailor your resume to highlight technical competencies, project management experience, and certifications. Practicing answers to common interview questions, such as describing a technically challenging project you managed, can help you confidently communicate your qualifications. In 2025, technical project management is projected to remain a high-demand field, driven by the growth of technology-driven industries. Emphasizing both technical expertise and project management skills, TPMs will be central to the successful execution of complex projects in sectors ranging from IT to finance. By continually updating skills, pursuing certifications, and expanding professional networks, aspiring TPMs can effectively position themselves for this dynamic and rewarding career.